Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Courtney here with Southern Owls, and we're doing part two. I know this swag is so big. Woo! Part two of how to make a meshless swag. Okay, guys, so this is going to be its sister, its brother. It's not going to be exactly the same, but I wanted to make these double door swag. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with our 30-inch swag base again. Okay, all of these products are from our friends at creekroad.net. We're just going to fluff it all out. Guys, if you're shopping at Creek Road, be sure to use my code OWL10 and you'll get 10% off your entire order. If you're in my private design group, you'll get 20% off. So go check out my private design group, Double Troublemakers, and look at all of those savings you get inside that awesome group, okay? So we're gonna need one base 30-inch swag, 2 gold bay leaves, 2 red eucalyptus. Now, if you watched part 1, you can skip this part because it's going to be the exact same. You're going to need 2 drums, which I'll tag in the description of the video, and these 2 rolls of ribbon. Now, this is Creek Road's new deluxe line. It's amazing. It's amazing ribbon, okay? So go grab those 2. Everything will be in the description. Now, same thing as part 1. We're just going to go in here. I'm going to kind of spread out this eucalyptus a little bit, and we're going to lay it down right in the spine of our swag base. I want a little bit popping out of the top, and then we can kind of move these around the side. I'm just going to grab 2 tinsels from our swag base and tie it right in. Yes, it's that easy, okay? Stop overthinking how to make a swag. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to grab the next eucalyptus. We're going to put it down towards the bottom, okay? You're going to grab 2 tinsels again, twist it in, just like that. Look how much coverage you're already getting with this eucalyptus. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Love it, okay? Stop overthinking. You hear me? Are you listening? Stop overthinking your swags. Okay, you're going to get this beautiful bay leaves, and I'm just going to kind of start spreading them out a little bit. We got these in the center that we can push up, and we're just going to lay it right down on the spine. Get 2 tinsel ties again from the swag base and just tie it right in. Now we're adding that pop of gold. I'm just going to move these down just like that. This one's in the middle. Move these down, pop that one up, and we're going to do the same thing coming out the bottom, okay? Find 2 tinsels again. Twist them right in there. Get that nice and snug. I'm going to come in the middle. We're going to do one more just to make sure everything is good to go. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add in our bigger elements, which are the drums. I'm kind of just moving these around a little bit so we see all of our elements and nothing's getting hidden, right? Look how easy and look how beautiful this swag base is. Okay, you can do this. All we did was tie it in, and look, it's not going anywhere. They're tied in there. So we're going to take our drums. Now I have 2 drums, and what I did is I took these floral U pins that I love to use, and I just put them with some hot glue in the sides with some pipe cleaners. And I'm just going to lay these. I kind of want them a little one on one side and one coming down the other side. I do want to leave this open, okay? Because we're going to make a big loopy bow right there in the center. Now, what we're going to do is just grab these pipe cleaners and right around the spine of our swag, just start threading through those pipe cleaners and getting these drums nice and secured onto our swag base. Same thing, just make sure that you're going through the spine of that swag base to get our drums nice and secure. Now you could glue these in, sure, but I always like to have a little bit extra security as I'm working with things like this. I just want to make sure they're really not going to go anywhere. So as you can see, I'm just threading through these pipe cleaners right through the spine. Super easy, my friends, okay? You can do this. I know you can. I know you can. I know a lot of people are intimidated by doing swags. Don't be intimidated anymore. I hope this tutorial brings you the confidence that you need to try out a swag, okay? And these are meshless, so you don't even have to worry about the mesh part either. Okay, so now we have, oh my gosh, look how beautiful that is. Now, if you wanted to do 3 drums, you could only do 3. You can move this one up, one in the middle, and one on the down. But right here, I'm going to do a big, beautiful bow. So all we're using today is 2 ribbons. Now, both of these are from the deluxe line at Creek Road. If you have not tried these ribbons, do it, friends. Do it. They're a little bit more expensive, but they are totally worth the price. They are budget-friendly designer ribbon. You will not be disappointed how thick they are, the wire in them, they're beautiful. So I'm just going to fold my ends. I'm going to get those ends ready. And we're going to make some beautiful loopy bows for this design. So what I want to do is I want to do one at the top, one in the middle, and then one at the end. So we're going to get our workout on for sure. I'm going to start off at the top, and I'm just going to kind of move these things around a little bit. Beautiful. And it's going to kind of freehand. I do want the tail just as long as my swag. So that is 9-inch tails. And I went big, beautiful loops. Like the bigger the better, okay? And this is a wow, this is a 9-inch loop. Look at me go. And we are just going to start building a big, beautiful loopy bow with this ribbon. So we're going to do 4 loops, okay, at 9 inches, and we're going to come down here. I want my tail to be at least 9, but we're going to go a little bit longer because we're going to fold that ribbon twice, okay? So look how, oh my gosh, that is going to be a statement piece. So now we're going to come in with our 7/8 inch, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do a nice big long tail, and we're going to come in and just do that same exact loopy vibe. And I'm going to do 4 of these loops as well, all about the same, okay? And then I'm going to come in and do one right in the middle. Nice big and loopy again. A little too big. There we go. And then we're going to have that awesome tail coming down about 9 inches, a little bit longer though, because we want to fold. Same thing, just like when you're making any kind of bow, you're just going to go in with that cable tie, go right around, get it going, and then we're going to thread through a pipe cleaner just like that. And now we're going to get that bow nice and snug. We're going to cut off that cable tie, the extra, and then just loop, loop, and now our bow is ready to go on to this gorgeous design. I'm going to go right at the top, right in the center, and we're going to add in our big, beautiful bow right along the spine again. Always use the spine of your swag base twist, twist, twist along the spine. And now it's nice and secure, so we're just gonna go in and we're gonna fluff out all of our ribbon. We're gonna fold all of our ends up twice. And at the very end, I'll go back around and we will glue all of that in. But for right now, I'm just gonna fold them up twice. Oh my gosh, I love this ribbon. That's beautiful. Look at that big bow. Okay, we're gonna do another bow in the middle and one at the bottom. We're definitely gonna be using up all of this beautiful ribbon. Love this ribbon, y'all. Hold on, let me get that tape off there. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, I got that tape off that was bothering me. Now we're gonna go in. Now I pre-made another bow just like the other one that's gonna go right in the middle. And now we're gonna do one that is a little bit smaller for the bottom of our swag. So I'm just gonna come in here, measure that out. A little bit smaller because it is teardrop, so I want it to be cascading. So this is going to be a 6-inch tail and 6-inch loops. Wow, I'm really good at eyeballing. Proud of myself. We're just gonna pull those up, make sure they're about the same. So we're gonna do 4 6-inch tails, or excuse me, 4 6-inch loops. Then we're gonna come back down and around because I want these tails to be cascading both downwards. And I'm just gonna, we'll cut it off. Since we're here, fold that up, and we're gonna snap that right there. Oh, I should have done a little bit longer. That's okay. All right, lay that next ribbon right down. We are gonna fold those in, and then we're gonna come in and do a cute little center loop, or couple little loops, sorry. I'm always gonna shrink down that ribbon just a little bit so we can see the red. And we're just gonna do 3 loops down here because it's gonna be a little bit more simple. Come in and just snap that right off with the scissors. Come in with the cable tie and go all the way around. Come in just like that. Come in with the pipe cleaner, twist, twist, and then let's attach these last 2 bows. So this one, I want to make sure that my tails are both coming down. And we're doing the same thing, just going right around the spine of our swag. And I want it to be right underneath that drum. Pull that ribbon up. And then this one, I pre-made off camera to save us time. And we're doing the same exact thing. Just go right around the spine. So cute. And now we can just adjust those tails how we want them and the loops, and that fills in any of the gaps that we might have. So now I'm going to come around and we're just going to fold this ribbon up. Oh, that is too long. Hold on. See how great this wire is in this ribbon, y'all? I promise if you have not tried Deluxe, go try it out. You will not be disappointed. Oh, hold on. Let me do these a lot shorter. Whoopsies. No worries. You can always cut shorter. You just can't go longer, right? There we go. Fold, fold. And then I'm just going to hit these with the glue. Let me see if my glue gun's good yet. Yes. So just a little bit of glue, just like in the other tutorial. And we're just going to fold those up. Don't burn yourself. I like to use my glue gun for this part because it's like really nice and precise. Okay, so let me know if you watched part one, which one was your favorite? Did you like the drums or did you like the nutcracker? Let me know. Let me know which one was your favorite. We add a little glue right there. Perfect, perfect. Okay, I'm gonna finish gluing this and I'll be right back. Okay, here is the finished design. Look how beautiful that is, y'all. So easy. Couple products, okay? Don't overthink your swags. Make them beautiful. Oh my goodness. I love this one. Love it, love it. Let me know in the comments. Did you like one or two? Once again, all of these products are from Creek Road, creekroad.net. Be sure to use my code AL10 for 10% off your entire order while shopping at Creek Road. If you are a troublemaker, you know who you are. You get 20% off. So that's my private design group. I would love to have you over there. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do like, subscribe, comment, do all the things because you'll keep me going, y'all. Y'all keep me going. Thank you so much. Gosh, this is stunning. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Thank y'all so much. You can do this. You can do this, okay? Don't overthink swags. I know you can do this, okay? Thank you so much for being here, and I can't wait to craft with y'all again soon. Bye, everyone.